Hey y'all, it's John and Tucker here. Today we're going to take these some old feed troughs we made for the sheep, and we're going to put this over our water line at our crossing. So we need to move the cows, and I don't want to break the water line even though there's no water in it right now. So we're going to try putting these across, and that we can drive across them too. We've been using these boards to go across with. They work all right, but they move, but we can't run the cows across that because they will get into our pipe. We need to figure out just exactly how we're going to go about. The water line ain't quite straight. Probably should have had it coming behind the tree. Would have been the best option. But that's not the way it is now, so we'll probably just try to run it right across here. But the only thing I don't like, I got to see how far this runs up through here. I probably should have brought our third section. I thought we was going to have more.
That's going to be a big bump. We'll probably bend it down though, won't we?
No, it won't bend down, buddy.
With a tractor and stuff, it probably will.
No. It's not bad, but we're still going to have exposed pipe up here, so that's going to be a little bit of a... We might have to run us a little wire and a post, just kind of a blocker to give them a visual off of it. I wish I'd ran behind the tree over there and it'd come out a lot better. But I don't know. I thought we had a lot. I thought this pipe was longer than it was, so we're still going to be kind of short on our gate for them to move through. But we can make this work.
When are we going to put them in here?
That won't be no deal tonight. That I got when I worked at the hatchery. They used it to take water from the creek to the fish ponds. They were replacing them as getting holes. What we done, we took them and cut all the pipe in half and made troughs for the sheep out of them, which they worked good, but they were still a pain in the butt because trying to get in there and wrestle all the sheep around was a pain, but at the time, it was better than what we had before that, so it worked pretty good. Then we switched over to the bunk line feeders, and that was a lot better. Which luckily we don't really have to, we're not feeding the sheep anymore, so we don't have to worry about any of that. Seems like our post is kind of in the way. There we go. Well,
That'll work.
That's down. I need to bring another piece out because that's nowhere near as long as what I wanted it, but we can still make a decent hole for the cows to move through off of that.
Yeah.
So that'll work. The only thing I don't like is right there, that little bit of exposed area right here. I'm not exactly sure what we'll do here. I'll have to do some thinking on that. I'll probably, right now, let's put a post in and some wire so they don't come that close. They'll just have this small gap to go through. So we'll have to move this back up. We'll have to move these posts back to the back side of our pipe right here. But that won't be no deal. Alright, come over here, buddy. Let's get this hook back up. The cows have some electric over there. They're waiting on us. They're ready to move. Hopefully this will get us through till the weekend. And then maybe we've got to look. I'm not sure. Maybe we're getting pretty close to time to pull bulls out. We may pull the bulls out this weekend before we take the cows to the back.
And band them?
No. The bulls, buddy. Pull the bulls out.
Oh.
But that's about all we got for right now. We're going to go build some fence and get ready. I've got a bunch of this pipe. I'm going to put that kind of at all of our crossings. And I hope we can get the buggy across this without, which over time it will settle in and stuff. But hopefully we can get that all across at our different places and it'll make it a lot easier. Well, we'll see you all later.
See ya. And don't forget to like and subscribe this video.